देर आर 45 AMCs एंड सबको देखिए कोई ना कोई बिजनेस के लिए अल्टीमेटली दे कॉल अस. ओके, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी आर ऑल्सो इन मीटिंग, वी आर अनेबल टू पिक अप द फोन्स बिकॉज मार्केट डिस्कशन, अल्टीमेटली मार्केट क्या लगता है, ये क्वेश्चन पहले भी था, आज भी है और हमेशा रहेगा. ओके, बट दैट इज़ not the real value addition that we get, but definitely DSP has helped in understanding our businesses just like a coach. Only one feedback, ये 3.5 घंटा बहुत छोटा था. I'm Abhishek Mohta and I run a financial services company as Trusted on Finserv based out of Kolkata. Currently we are managing about 600 crores with a monthly SIP book of around 4.5 CR. So I and Shraddha is my life partner as well as business partner. So we were discussing together like कि business को इधर तक तो ले आए, लेकिन आगे यहाँ से कैसे लेके जा सकते हैं. And then we faced a real challenge, that is building a team, because you can pull it मतलब 0 से लेके 500 ले आए, लेकिन 500 से 5000 करोड़ जाना है, तो उसके लिए you require lot of people, you require a team to take that forward. So DSP helped in basically Chirag and team came all over from Mumbai to our office, and we sat and discussed for about 1 hour or so about challenges that we are facing, and we mentioned whatever challenges we are facing in terms of hiring people, in terms of what are the hindrances to growth, and what are the structures that we can build, who to hire, whom not to hire. So DSP team helped in basically answered all those questions and queries whatever we had, and that is it's a continuous process. Still we interact with each other to scale up the things. Definitely there are 45 AMCs and सबको देखिए कोई ना कोई business के लिए ultimately they call us. Okay, and most of the time we are also in meetings, we are unable to pick up the phones because market discussion, ultimately market क्या लगता है, ये क्वेश्चन पहले भी था, आज भी है और हमेशा रहेगा. ओके, बट दैट इज नॉट द रियल वैल्यू एडिशन दैट वी गेट, बट डेफिनेटली DSP has helped in अंडरस्टैंडिंग आवर बिजनेसेस जस्ट लाइक अ कोच. और उसके हिसाब से कहाँ का चैलेंजेस आ रहा है, डिफरेंट प्रोग्राम्स, अंडरस्टैंडिंग आवर बिजनेस एंड देन गिविंग अ डेडिकेटेड सोल्यूशन टू इट. So definitely it has helped a lot, and we always look forward any RMs calling us and saying कि सर मीटिंग करना है. हम बोलते हैं हाँ यार आ जाओ, आज क्या नया बात करेंगे या फिर आज क्या डिस्कस करोगे अबाउट बिजनेस ग्रोथ. तो दैट इज़ द काइंड ऑफ डेडिकेशन DSP शोज, एंड इसीलिए मैं बोलता हूँ डेडिकेटेड सपोर्ट पार्टनर्स, दैट इज़ वॉट DSP इज टू मी. I call DSP as a knowledge partner because there are a lot of fund houses, they talk about they are good, speak about different things like fund manager meeting, about markets and all. Lekin something which is directly related to our business, this is the first time that we experience in Futurist 2026, wherein like I basically attended a session on team building, and Shraddha, my business partner, she attended on fund selection and creating that framework to do our research. And it was good to know that whatever we are doing, we are doing it perfectly after attending that session. So that also gives a validation, and there are a lot of things which I learned in terms of building the team and how to move forward. And the team has also basically given us assurance that going forward we will be helping, we will be coming back to Kolkata and come to your office, and we will discuss what are the like integrities of business and how we can scale it up. Only one feedback, ये 3.5 घंटा बहुत छोटा था. I think it can you could easily have done a workshop of 2 days, and without any breaks, at least I could have easily attended it.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.